Hi friends, very good morning to you all. First, I would like to welcome you all for the demonstration of SAP SD Sales and Distribution Module online training. Before I am going to inform you about online training and methodology of online training, I would like to introduce myself. I am having 9+ years of experience, and in those I am having 5.9 years of experience in configuring SAP SD module. In my domain experience, I have 2+ years of experience in imparting SAP SD training to candidates who want to make their career in SAP platform. And in my SAP career, I have done 2 end-to-end implementation projects, and I supported for 5 clients, including 2 are overseas clients. At present, I am working as SAP SD consultant, and I am also a technical panel to shortlist candidates during interview. Now, I would like to share my experience, and I want to tell the truth of SAP SD training. The first is, certification is costly, and without a real-time experience, it is useless for some extent. There are some candidates who are not able to go for certification. As we know, this is costly. And second is, to hire a SAP candidate, he should have a real-time experience. And in second fact, in some institution, when they are imparting training on particular module, they are not covering all the topics, because in my future slide you can see what are the different topics I am going to cover. And third fact is, trainers hired in non-certification institutions are cheap and not expert. When they are imparting training to you, they are not running all the business cycle followed in manufacturing industry. This impact on the candidate who are learning SAP module. If he is not practicing the business cycle followed in manufacturing industry, he cannot understand why he is configuring such things in SAP. The fourth fact is, during demonstration, SAP aspirant attract to their English communication, but they are not aware of trainers' SAP knowledge. When the candidate attending demo class, we will judge his knowledge based on his English or other communication, but we are not giving importance to, or even we are not aware of that, the trainers how much he having knowledge about SAP. The fifth fact is the training will be provided to candidates to make money but not to make career of SAP aspirant. This is very critical fact we need to accept. Most of the institutions or most of the trainer, they are imparting training to the candidates to make just money, but they are not 100% involved in to make career of SAP aspirant. And the other fact is SAP demand real practice and knowledge, how it runs in real time, even if you are not certified. See, here I mention my experience. There are two candidates came for interview. One is certified, another is non-certified. And when I check the knowledge of certified, the non-certified candidate having more knowledge and real-time knowledge and good communication, confident than the certified person. Obviously, as a technical panel, I need to understand the client requirement, and then I have selected to non-certified candidate based on SAP knowledge. See, the same point I have mentioned here. Technical panel check your knowledge of SAP candidate, but not your certification. This is most extent it happening. Now, we will go to the next slide. This online training, the duration of this training is 4 months and maximum 5 months. In this training, I am going to cover you SD module and SIN module. This is country version India, followed in India only, and real-time projects. In this training, I am going to show you configuration, customization, running various business cycles followed in manufacturing industry, integration of SD module with other module like financial accounting, production planning, material management. This happens because of when you run the business process, you come to know where exactly the SAP SD module is integrated. I am going to give you documents in the form of PPT, PDF and doc to understand the configuration, and it helps you to practice and to refer, and SAP data to practice. Now, in SAP SD distribution module, I am going to cover you. The first is introduction to ERP, SAP technology, SD module, financial accounting module, and material management module, and ABAP module. Why the company using those modules? What is the purpose of implementing those modules in manufacturing industry? See, I am using here one word, manufacturing industry. It not mean that SAP is only going to implement in manufacturing industry, but also the many industry like oil and gas industry, real estate industry. There are many industries, but I have worked in manufacturing industry. That's why I am using only one terminology. Now SD cycle here I am going to teach you. Then I will come to the enterprise structure, then master data like customer master information record, customer master data, material master data, and general business process followed by manufacturing industry. What are the different business processes they are following, why they are following, sales documents, item category for sales documents, scheduling category for sales documents, pricing. This is very important topic in SD, which integrated with financial accounting module. Condition types for pricing, condition exclusion for pricing. Then condition supplement, free goods determination, header condition in pricing, account determination. This is integrated with a financial accounting module. Revenue account determination. This is also integrated with financial accounting module. Partner determination procedures. Output determination. This is here in output determination. The output, it could be delivery note, invoice, packing list, is different from one client to another client because the company name is changed, the logo is changed, the layout is changed, the address is changed. So here most of the functional specification is done on output determination, and this is integration of SD ABAP module. Copy control for sales document, incompletion log, bills of material. Bills of material is used in SD as well as in material management as well in production planning module. Again, I am going to cover in this module is material determination, or even we can call it as product selection, item proposal, even we are calling as product proposal, material listing and exclusions. These topics are not much important, but for syllabus perspective, I am covering those topics also. This is very important topic in SAP SD. We can tell this is a sales document of sales order or heart of SAP SD module. When I am imparting training on sales orders, I am going to cover you standard sales order, rush order, cash sales, domestic sales order, export sales, factory sales, depot sales. Factory sales, depot sales followed for Indian projects using country version India module, sample sales, scrap sales, asset sales, job work sales, institutional sales, deemed export sales. This deemed export sales also used in Indian client using country version India module, distribution sale, agent commission sale, service sale. Many sales are there, so I am going to run those business processes. From that you can understand the strong integration of SD to other module, and you can understand why the company is following the different business process and how they are following. Now I'm going to cover the customer complaints. In customer complaints, return sales orders, subsequent free of charge goods, free of charge goods, credit and debit memo, and cancellation of excise invoice, etc. I am going to cover. Again, invoice correction request. This is integration of SD and financial accounting. Contracts. In contracts, I am going to cover quantity contract, value contract, service contract, and schedule line agreement. Again, consignment business process. Here we have 4 consignment business process in SAP. One is consignment fill up, consignment issue, consignment return, and consignment pickup. Credit management is a very important topic in SAP SD module. Credit management is strongly integrated with financial accounting module. Then transfer of requirement. This is integration of SD, MM, and SD PP. And availability check is also integration of SD, MM, and SD PP. Intercompany sales is very important topic, integration of SD, MM, and SD PP. And third-party sales process is also very important topic, integration of SD, MM. Make to order, variant configuration, we are also calling as VC. Integration of SD, MM, SD, PP. Individual purchase order, stock transfer order. This is also very important topic in SAP SD module. outbound deliveries, returnable packaging, packing, billing document is strongly integrated with financial accounting module, rebate processing, and even I am going to impart you the basic ABAP knowledge which required for functional consultant. For example, tables, fields, program names, user exist, reports, user exist we are also calling enhancement, reports, LSMW, debugging, SAP script, but we are using smart forms nowadays. So those basic information the every functional consultant should have this knowledge, because when he is going to prepare a functional specification to meet the client requirement, he should know about basic ABAP knowledge that helps to prepare functional specification, and those functional specifications shared with the ABAP consultant to prepare the document as per client requirement. Now this is about SAP SD module, the topics what I am going to cover you. Now we will go for, see, once I configure all the topics which I have shown you in SAP system, then I am going to run the different business cycle or business processes in the system. These helps you to understand how SAP SD module is integrated with other module. First thing. Second, you can understand what are the how and why the different business processes are running in any industry. Third, you can understand the very important control parameters that affect to the other modules, because your interview questions based on control parameters. Okay, now I will go one by one. Standard sales order, rush order, cashiers, domestic sale, export sale, factory sale, depot sale. This factory and depot sale is run in Indian projects using country version India module. Sample sale, scrap sale, asset sale, service sale, job work sale, institutional sale, deemed export sale, distributor sale, agent sale or agent commission sale, return sale, subsequent free of charge goods sale, free of charge goods sale, credit memo, debit memo, invoice correction. Again in contract, quantity contract, value contract, service contract, and schedule agreement. Consignment business process, I told you 4 processes: consignment fill up, consignment issue, consignment return, and consignment pickup. Intercompany sale, third party sale process, make to order, variant configuration, individual purchase order, stock transfer order, returnable packing, rebate for system. Now, this slide tells you about country version India. This model is only implemented in Indian projects or for Indian clients. Non-Indian projects or non-Indian candidates, this model is not helpful. Even for the perspective of Indian candidates, I am going to cover this model also. I'll just show you what are the things I'm going to cover in this module. First is, I told you this country version India is strongly integrated with financial accounting module, and here I will show you the features of country version India, business processes followed for SIN, configuration ST, and also configuration of SIN in financial accounting module, configuration of pricing procedure, sales order, delivery, billing, excise invoice, printing excise invoice, post sales process. Also the very important is tax determination done for SIN in ST and FA. using financial accounting module. I told you there are a different business process following for country version India. The one is factory sale, depot sale, job work sale, domestic and export sale, sample sale, scrap sale, and deemed export. I'll give you configuration notes, end user notes, and presentation notes while I am imparting training. Now, after completion of SD and country version India module, I am going to give you a training on projects like implementation and support projects. The first here, I'll tell you about the major roles and responsibility of SAP consultant in both implementation and support projects. SAP methodology and the various deliverables in each stage of SAP methodology. What are the documents we are using, software, hardware used in each stage of SAP methodology, testing methods, types, techniques, tools, and end-to-end process of testing. Then LSMW BDC tool we are using to upload a data from non-SAP to SAP system. Then about functional and technical and design specification. But here I am just going to cover about functional specification. This is prepared by a functional consultant. Tool used in implementation and support projects and its usage. Production support end-to-end procedure. Here I am going to tell you about how the tickets will come, who will assign, how it will be worked out, how the priority will be assigned, how you are going to communicate with your super user and end user, how you are resolving the ticket, and how you are giving feedback, every end-to-end procedure I am going to tell you. Even I will discuss you the interview questions based on production support projects. And real-time tickets, ticketing tool we are using, how and what is the handling procedure for tickets, user acceptance test, unit test, regression test, integration test. I am going to give templates and user manual or user training documents. Here user manuals, training documents I am going to give you. SLA, service level element of organization, a client with implementation partner, what are the year-end activities, and last is go-live support, and how they will give post support for those kind of once the project is go for live. Now it's very important now that see this methodology of imparting SAP trainings make us a difference between our training methodology and other institution training methodology. So first I am going to give you information about the virtue of ERP and the SAP technology used in manufacturing industry. See, if you understand this concept, now it's very important to every consultant, SAP consultant, to understand this concept, because your training is based on this concept. Here also I mentioned the same thing, usage, importance of SAP technology being implemented in manufacturing industry. These 2 points are very important for any consultant before they go for training. Teach you SAP SD topics one by one in sequential manner as it has to be learned. It means there are many topics are there in SAP SD, but I will go as per sequential manner so that you people better understand the configuration and you people better understand how it works in real time. And one more methodology of our teaching is while I will teach or impart training on any particular SAP topic, I will not only impart or teach the conclusion part in the system, but also teach with the real-time examples, its usage, causes of configuring, its importance, its control parameters, and last but not the least, teach how this will impact on other module or other area of SAP. See, this is very important methodology. What I am going to follow in online training is because in many institutions they are teaching about configuration part, but they never teach about with the real-time examples how it is used in company, what is the causes of configuration, in the sense why I am doing this configuration. This is the most important question we need to ask every time when we are configuring. Its importance, its control parameters that impact on other module or other area of SAP. In methodology of our training, after completion of a particular topic, here I mention, for example, say pricing. Suppose if I am completed pricing topic, I will give you a conclusion notes with the screenshot, again end user notes with the screenshot, and presentation notes. This helps you to understand the particular topic, and it helps you to refer when you are practicing in the system. Again, after immediately completion of pricing topic, I will discuss with you most expected questions which the technical panel ask during your interview, and I will give you assignment to practice in your home. See, when after immediately completion of a particular topic, say for example pricing, I will discuss with you what are the most expected questions in pricing. What are the questions you can ask in pricing? We will discuss with you as well. I am giving a blueprint or other document to practice. I will run each business process as I said before, followed by most of the manufacturing companies in this world. This helps you to better understand SAP SD model and its integration with other model. See, the purpose of running business processes to understand how this SAP SD model is integrated with other model. Now I will go to the other complaint. I will teach or impart training on that basic knowledge required for functional consultant to prepare functional specification. Okay. See, the basic BAP knowledge is required for a functional consultant to prepare functional specification when the client requirement is not matched to SAP standard. And about the country version area, I teach you the SIN and one related business process, as I told you, depot sale, factory sale, job work sale, sample sale, followed by Indian companies. And I will also give you conclusion notes, presentation, PPTs, end user document, and other document I will give for your practice and reference. See, after completion of both SAP SD and SIN module, I told you I am going to impart training on projects. Okay. Implementation and support project. But this is for example, see, in my experience, when I want to judge whether this candidate is fake or real time, I will ask some real time questions. It could be related to implementation project, or It could be related to support projects. Sorry. I'm sorry. See, when I'm asked what I was telling, like when the candidate is in front of me, then how I'm going to judge whether this candidate is real time or not. See, I'm asking question to him about the real time projects. It could be related to the implementation project, or it is related to the support projects. Then he is failing to answer those questions. Then I come to know he is just a moment. Sorry for interruption. To find out whether this candidate is fake or not, I am asking question on projects. It could be real time or it could be related to support projects. So that's why when I'm imparting training on projects, I will show you end-to-end process, tools, procedure, documents used in both implementation and support projects. So here, that's why I given this quote here. I will show and tell you story of SAP real-time movie. But during interview, you have to tell them I really watched that movie. In the sense, because you people not see the real time how SAP real time done. So I will show you how the real time SAP run real time. I will show and I will tell you the story also. But in front of when you are sitting in front of panel, you have to act like he is you make him to understand he is real time. You should think that by your confidence, by your knowledge, by your way of speaking, you should think that you make him to think that okay, he is a real time consultant. So this is very important methodology we are following here. Now finally, I will discuss more than 500 interesting questions on SAP ST country version India model and real-time projects that helps to brush up your SAP knowledge and update the same. And even it's very important is that helps you to enter in SAP boxing ring to fight and win. And last but not the least, I will give you port support training. I mean, suppose if you are completing training with me of 4 months or 5 months. So once you learn, if you have any questions, you can contact me. If you have any kind of problem, if you want any kind of document required, you can contact me. I will provide support to you even if you get the job. Then if you have any problem when you are working in company, even I help you. Okay. If I will help you as per my knowledge, and I will support you. See, in my project, I told you. I'm sorry. In my last slide, I told you. I am giving SAP DVD. So this DVD contains 12 GB data, and in this DVD. There are 4 DVD, 12 GB data. In this DVD contains not only the creation of other modules like SAP ST, financial accounting, material management, project system, and other model, but also there are many documents prepared in each stage of implementation and support projects. Okay. To view the demo because what this DVD content. So I am going to upload this video in YouTube. So as of now I haven't uploaded. So you just when you want this, you want to see the content of DVD. In YouTube, go to YouTube and put these are the keywords: SAP knowledge share, SAP online training, SAP online training. Might be you will get that DVD. Once I upload, I have link. If you are not finding or not getting the video, what exactly the DVD contains, you send me mail. SAP PSD knowledge share @gmail.com. I'm going to send you the link to download or to see or watch the DVD content. In addition of this online training, I'm going to give you overview on SAP interface. For example, application link enabling, electronic data interchange, document, BAPIs, RFC, root function calls. This the every function consultant should know, because some clients using SAP interface. So this helps you to work on interface. Then once I will complete a particular topic every day to day, you are getting soft copy to understand, to refer and to practice. And every day we are going to discuss the intro questions on the topic which I have taught. You are getting PPTs, documents, then daily assignments I am giving for you people to practice, and real-time examples being followed in manufacturing industry while implementing support, implementing and supporting clients. Weekly test I am going to conduct, discussing interview questions on topic taught. Weekly doubts I am going to clear you, and assignments which I am going to give you, that I am going to clarify if you have doubts on assignments. Then conducting mock interviews and building your CV as per client requirement or company's requirement, many more. The duration of this training is, suppose if you are taking this combo pack. Combo pack you are taking like SAP, you want to learn SAP SD model, and SIN is option for non-Indian, and then projects, real projects, implementation and support project, and SAP DVD, that is 12 GB data. Those for combo pack, the minimum duration of training is 4 months and maximum 5 months, and 2 hours per day. I'm going to impart training. Suppose only you want to learn only SAP SD module. So I'm going to cover your SAP SD module with configuration part, running all SD business process and configuration document. This is 2 months and maximum 90 days, that is 3 months. Suppose you already learned those modules, just you want to learn SIN country version India. This is for Indian clients or Indian projects. So here I am going to cover the configuration part, running all SIN related business process. The duration is 1 month minimum and maximum is 45 days. And suppose you want to learn only the project related training, that is real-time training for implementation and support projects. You are getting end-to-end process and documents, ticket, testing document, specification, many more documents, and the duration is 20 days and maximum is 30 days. Now we'll go for the structure of those courses. I have priced here as per this duration as per the course. If you are taking the combo pack, what I already told you, so that for combo pack you have to give 35,000 for 4 months or 5 months. If you want only to learn only SAP SD model, then you have to give 35,000. And here we are running business process also with configuration. If you want to learn only SD model, configuration running business process is 12,000. Then for SAP real-time projects, documents and procedure 7000, and for SAP DVD 12 GB data only. If you want this DVD only, then 5000 INR. My future planning is, as of now, I not started this. I'm going to training on SAP testing. That is fundamental of testing. I'm going to cover SPQC and QP testing we are using. So this is my future plan for training on SAP testing. For more information, I'm sorry. For more information, for more details, you contact me to my email ID sapknowledgeshare@gmail.com. Even I have account in Facebook. Just type sapknowledgeshare knowledge space share. And my site is under construction. So once it will construct totally fully, then I will intimate you. Any doubts, any feedback, any kind of help, any questions, you just send me email to sapknowledgeshare@gmail.com. I appreciate valuable time you given to watch this demo session, and thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.